Hey everybody, I'm going to show you really quick how to properly fill out your finishes sections of your project closeout in Masterworks. It's going to be your flooring types right here and your paint finishes right here. They both work the same, so I'm going to show you. I'm going to use this one as an example. I already partially fixed it. What we really want to talk about, I think, you all understand how to fill in, the manufacturer, the item number, the color, the vendor, right? The building number. The really important part that people are missing is this room number part. This has to be a number, absolutely. It cannot be anything else. We cannot say blue room. We cannot say all rooms. We cannot say look at the map. And I'm going to show you why. What happens to this data right now is it gets exported into this report. And then this report only, nothing else, is sent out to a person that puts it into this log. When it gets put into this log, they have no idea how to, if it just says all rooms, they have no way of knowing which rooms that is. So when they go in here because the tradesperson needs to fix some paint somewhere and they say, hey, I need to fix the paint in room 143, and they go, okay, so find me room 143 and go here. If it said all rooms, you're not going to find room 143, right? You're going to find nothing. So it's very important that you put in each room number just like this. And pardon that these are incorrect on some of these because we're in the middle of fixing them right now. But it's very important that we put in all of these in the correct numbering. They are going to copy and paste whatever you put in here. So you want to put it in as the room number, comma, space, the next room number, comma, space. No blue room, no auditor's suite, no director's office, none of that. The only exception for that is to say exterior. Obviously the exterior of the building does not have a room number. So if it's the exterior of the building, it is okay to put exterior because obviously we're going to know what that is in the log. But I want everybody to understand the way this data is traveling. Why this is going to become very important is because in the near future, we're going to eliminate the human out of the middle of this process. So this is going to start feeding directly where it needs to go without somebody having to manually input it. So if you input it wrong and you put all rooms, then it's going to go down the line and end up at the people at the end who won't have the map or won't know what project it came from when you said all rooms and you meant these 6 rooms over here. They won't know what all rooms meant. So it's very important that you list out every room number. I know it's going to take you an extra 30 seconds to do, but please suffer through it. It's for the better good. And when it's like this, obviously both of these things were installed the same, right? Because these were flooring and they go together. I think one of them's the trim. You only really have to do one because you can just copy and then go into the other one and paste it. So you really only have to type all those room numbers once. And then it's going to come out on their report exactly how we needed it, right? Because they're going to go, and when they search to find that backing or whatever, they're going to know that it went into all these rooms. So, very important that you do that. If you have any questions, same goes for the paint, especially for the paint. Please leave as much detail as you can in the information. If you have any questions, reach out to BDMC. We'll walk you through it. Thanks.